Hi friends, Naji here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So we know that Ollama is supporting only limited number of models, right? So there are few models. If you go to the ollama.com/library, we will able to see the list of models that can be supported by the or that will be supported by the Ollama, right? So to download this model, which is very easy, we can use Ollama space run and we will able to specify the model name and that will be downloaded. In this way we will able to download that into local and we will able to run that. So we know that Hugging Face has lot of models, right? So these are the models that is supported by the Hugging Face. See, there are n number of models are available, right? Now recently what happened is that Ollama and Hugging Face work together and now they are actually providing an option to download the GGUF models on Hugging Face to Ollama. Okay, so we will easily able to download any GGUF models from Hugging Face using Ollama, and in this way we will able to download it and we will able to use it locally. So the command is very simple. We will able to run Ollama space rf and we can use hf.com/. We will able to give the username and we can provide the repository name. In this way we will able to easily download any models, any GGUF models from Hugging Face. So for that, before that, there are a few simple steps. First, what we can do, we can go to the settings screen, and let me click on the settings screen, and we will able to specify the machine that we are going to use. So in my case, I have already said I am using Apple M1, and if you are using any CPU machine, just go to select CPU, then select the provider, and you guys can add the item, or you guys can select the GPU and select which GPU that you guys are using and just add the item. Okay, so once that is done, we can go and search for the any GGUF model. So here I have selected one. Maybe if you go to the GGUF, okay, so this is the paper that is this is the tutorial that is, or this is a page that is talking about GGUF. GGUF is actually a binary model format, and if you go to click on this GGUF model library, so we will able to see the models that is GGUF format models. So you guys can go and use any models. Just click on this, and if you come here, use this model. Okay, just select this and select on Ollama. So we will able to see the model or the command that can be run. Just copy this and just paste it in the console. Then it will be downloaded. It will be downloaded and we will able to use that. So currently I am not going to use this one because it will take some time. Okay, so what we can do, let me close this and let me show you one more thing. So if you click on this, here we can select like any quantization, the Q4KM, Q6K, Q8O, F16. So these are the few quantization, and if you come here, we will able to see this is the Q4KM is a 4-bit quantization, Q6K is a 6-bit, and Q8O is the 8-bit, and F16 is the 16-bit quantization. So what we can do, just go and select any model, any quantization model that we need. Okay, and based on that we will able to download and we will able to run the model. Okay, and to demonstrate what I have done, I have actually downloaded a model. So let me take the model. So this is the model that I have downloaded, Llama DeepSync 1 billion GGUF. So this is the fine-tuned version of Llama 3.2 1 billion instruct model. So let me select this model and select Ollama. Okay, and let me copy this, and here Ollama list, let me do a list command here. Okay, it's already downloaded, but anyway, let me show you that. Let me download this. Okay, since it is already downloaded, it will directly went to that console. Okay, I'm going to ask who are you. It says that okay, I'm artificial intelligence model known as Llama, and Llama stands for large language model meta AI. Okay, now let me close this. And if you want to see the model, you guys can see that, okay, just click on Ollama list, which will list all the models that is downloaded for the Ollama. So here we can see this is the model that we just downloaded. Now let me copy this model. We'll see how can we use this model with respect to, using LangChain. For that, what I can do, I can just create a Hugging Face underscore Ollama.ipynb. Here I can select my kernel. Now let me import from LangChain Ollama. We can import chat Ollama. Here the model will be chat Ollama. I can pass the model name as model. Okay, here I can do a model.invoke. I can ask the same question, who are you? So we'll see. So it says that I am a AI, I am an artificial intelligence model known as Llama. Llama stands for large language model meta AI. In this way, we will able to use any GGUF model. In this way, we will able to download any GGUF model to our local machine through Ollama, and we will able to use with LangChain. Okay. So that is all about in this video. So I will be uploading this notebook to the GitHub URL, and if you have any questions, please add or please put that in the comment box. Please do like and subscribe. Have a nice day. Bye bye.